Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Panarul Mayanti. My student number is 2113100021. In this video, I will retell a short story. So, happy watching! Fox and a Cat. One day, the fox and the cat were having a conversation. The fox, who was a conceited creature, boasted how clever she was. "Why, I know at least 100 tricks to get away from our mutual enemies, the dogs," said the fox. "I know only one trick to get away from dogs," said the cat. "You should teach me some of yours." "Well, maybe someday, when I have the time, I may teach you a few simpler ones," replied the fox airily. Just then, they heard the barking of a pack of dogs in the distance. The barking grew louder and louder. The dogs came in their direction. At once, the cat ran to the nearest tree and climbed into its branches, well out of reach of any dog. "This is the trick I told you about, the only one I know," said the cat. "Which one of your 100 tricks are you going to use?" The fox sat silently under the tree, wondering which trick she should use. Before she could make up her mind, the dogs arrived. They fell upon the fox and tore her to pieces. That's all for my video today. So thank you for watching and see you!